On a recent road trip through the Western Australian outback, I was lucky enough to have my family join me. And we'd been looking at the swell charts and we realised that there was quite a bit of a swell headed towards Red Bluff, which was about 100 k's out on a dirt road from Carnarvon on the Western Australian coast. As soon as I got to the campground, I just saw this big black ball of bait fish, and there was over 300 3-metre plus bronze whaler sharks feeding on this bait ball only metres from shore. When you find yourself in the right place at the right time, it's important to know how to use your equipment and to have the right equipment with you. Now, I was shooting 4K drone footage and I was also shooting full-frame DSLR photographs of the sharks. When I'm flying the drone and I've just captured something pretty incredible, I always bring the drone back. This is where the My Passport Wireless SSD comes in handy. You land the drone, you pull out the micro SD card, you insert it into the My Passport Wireless SSD, and you can watch it back up the footage that you've just captured. In the meantime, you can change micro SD cards in the drone and be off flying again while it's all backing up. The beauty of the My Passport Wireless SSD is I no longer have to bring my laptop with me. I can throw this in my camera pack, I can throw it on the dash of my car, I can take it out into the harsh environment in which I work. Once you're in the field and you've copied your data across to your My Passport Wireless SSD, you can pull out your smartphone, open the MyCloud app, and you can see all your raw photos, plus all your 4K video footage. Once I'm back in my home studio, I just grab the My Passport Wireless SSD and via the USB 3 cable, back everything back up to my main working computer at home. The My Passport Wireless SSD helps me in my work because I don't need to bring the laptop out with me. It's compact, it's rugged, you can just throw it in your bag, the battery lasts you all day, and it's always there as a form of backup for me, so I can store my valuable data there and then and not have to worry about it anymore. I just like to capture Mother Nature at its best, whether that be flying a drone over the coast or watching the sunset in the outback of Australia. I'm in a fortunate enough position that I get to travel around Australia and really just chase the light.